finally got it out. It's broke, and you gotta watch out because this gooey stuff, the glue hardens really good, and then you can pull the mounting bracket inside there. You gotta watch out. You can pull that out and break the door, so you gotta be very careful. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna pull out this one on this side. Alright, so the top of the door, you pull your screws off, you take this little plate off, you pull the old mounting pad or whatever the hell this magma thing is called. We toss that right in the shitter, and here's the new one. Put that in, push it in like so, give it a little hit with the hammer. Nice, flat in there, and you put your cover back on. Your two screws go in there, and then we mount the door back on. After we put the hinges on it, we're gonna replace that hinge and that hinge down. Okay, so I did the top one already. Put the new one in. I'll just show you guys that you loosen these bolts to pull the bottom one off. And it's pretty simple, straightforward stuff. I usually use the marks from the oil and just line up the other one, or the grease marks, and just line up the other one, because if you don't line them up the correct way, it takes some time to adjust them. So yeah, we'll just pull that one off and see how it has that outline. I will take the new one and just line it up like so. Put my screws back in, and there we go. And that's that on that one. So there you got it, all nice and together. Top one's in. It closes like a charm now. Good stuff. Nice. Peace out, YouTube.